What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing a review on the Anker Soundcore Motion B Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so I just got this thing in the mail. I've already tested it out. It's got some amazing bass and a really nice compact design. I'm going to throw a link in the description if anyone wants to check this out on Amazon. And I do want to pull up the listing first before we take it out of the box. Now, this thing's going to run for around $32.99. It's got about 40 reviews on it right now. Comes with the 12-month warranty. It's Ipx7 Waterproof. We're going to do a little bit of a waterproof test in here. And it's got over 12 hours of long-lasting battery life. You know, it comes pre-charged, so when you get this thing, it's going to have about 10 hours on it. So just keep that in mind if you decide to get this thing. All right, anyways, I'm going to take it out of the packaging. It does come with like a nice little user manual and like a charging cable. So that's what you're going to have in the top right here. And, you know, I'm not going to spend too much time in it, but it's kind of just in there. And then, of course, let's take a look at this bad boy. All right, so here we go. All right, so like I said, this thing has a really nice compact design on it, no doubt about it. All right, so here it is. Let's take a quick look at it. All right, so super slick looking design. Definitely like a nice little speaker you can carry around, but you could throw it in your living room. You could put it outside, like on your patio or, you know, anywhere. I mean, just because it's got like a nice, you know, compact design, like I said. Plus, you know, this thing can take a beating. I mean, you can definitely drop this thing quite a bit and you're not going to see any wear and tear on it. I could tell you that. It's got like a rubberized design around the outside of it. And then it's got some nice branding on the back of it too that says Soundcore. So really nice design, like I said. I'm going to turn this thing on. We're going to do a bit of a sound test on it. And then, of course, you know, I do want to throw some water on it too, just to show you that it's waterproof. But anyways, you know, a bunch of new trailers came out recently from Comic-Con, and I really want to check out that Aquaman trailer. I'm going to load that up on here so we can, you know, test out the sound with this. All right, so there's a couple different ways you can, you know, mess with the sound on here. It's going to do it from the top right here, but
life is a way of bringing people together.
All right, some great bass on this thing.
One day. Check it out. Arthur is talking to the fish.
They made me what I am. Permission to come aboard?
I've been looking for you. Your half-brother, King Orm, is about to declare war upon the surface world. The only way to stop this war is for you to take your rightful place as king.
Trust me, I am no king.
You do your best thinking when you're not thinking at all.
That was the worst pep talk ever.
You might want to strap in. Welcome home.
My brother has come for the service to challenge me for the throne.
I call it an ass whooping. I'm no lead.
All right, so I'm gonna pause it for just a second, guys, because I want to get some water out so I could, you know, dunk it. And I want to say that, you know, it is gonna be waterproof up to 1 meter for like 30 minutes, so you can't like throw it underwater for too long. But I'm just gonna douse it a little bit. I'm gonna get that trailer back up in just a second so we could finish it. But let me just, you know, like I said, throw some water on this thing. All right, let's check that out.
Because I had no choice. I came to save my home and the people that I love.
Yeah, look at those, the water coming out of it. Awesome.
That is exactly why you are worth it.
That was awesome.
The war is coming to the surface, and I'm bringing the wrath of the seven seas with me.
All All right, cool stuff, guys. I'm really looking forward to that Aquaman movie too. But anyways, you know, like you're gonna get about over 12 hours battery life on this thing. I just wanted to show everybody that it is waterproof. You can kind of see like the bubbles coming out of the speakers on here. That's just how it drains out. And the other thing about this too is, you know, great bass. Really nice compact design. Like I said, you've got like rubberized edges and everything. So this thing, you know, it can be dropped. You're not going to have to worry about it, you know, when you drop it getting jacked up. So, you know, awesome design on this, guys. Plus, it's going to come with a 12-month warranty. Now, if you have any questions about the Anker Motion B, obviously hit me up in the comments. I will get back to you. I'll also throw a link in the description if you want to check this out. But I think for the price point of $32.99, I think this baby's a big win. So if you guys could also hit that like and share. Thanks for watching, and we will see y'all later.